I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble accessing your Outlook email, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Outlook from accessing your email. Step 2. Restart Outlook. Close the Outlook application completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Update Outlook. Ensure that your Outlook application is up to date. Go to the File menu, select Office Account, and click on Update Options to check for updates. Step 4. Disable add-ins. Sometimes, third-party add-ins can cause access issues. Go to File, then Options, and select Add-ins. Disable any unnecessary add-ins and restart Outlook. Step 5. Check account settings. Verify that your email account settings are correct. Go to File, then Account Settings, and ensure your email server settings match those provided by your email provider. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the access block on your Outlook email. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance.